Once again, this is Sister J from Sister J Jamaican Caribbean Cuisine. Today I'm going to share with you how we can make homemade ice cream. And I'm going to make homemade rum and raisin ice cream. So come along. So we're going to need some heavy whipping cream. You use the one of your choice. Doesn't matter. Okay. And we're going to whip it. Coming up nicely. Now I'm gonna add some condensed milk. I'm gonna twist and turn. Now we're gonna add our raisin. A little vanilla. Touch of cinnamon, and then the most important ingredients. I'm not making it too strong for me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour it into a container and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Okay, put some more raisin. I'm going to cover it tightly. Hello, welcome back again. My rum and raisin ice cream was in the freezer for 3.5 hours. So now I'm going to test it out and show you my homemade rum and raisin ice cream. Oh Lord, look at it. Look at my rum and raisin ice cream. Yeah. There you have it. My rum and raisin ice cream. This is so good. You got to try it. Guys, thank you for watching. This is Sister J from Sister J Jamaican Caribbean cuisine. Don't forget to follow me, like and share my video. Until next time, God bless.